Welcome to this in-depth, professional tutorial where you will learn how to fill bathroom floor tile gaps with maximum precision and an expert touch. In this comprehensive guide, we take you through every detailed step needed to achieve a flawless grout application for your bathroom floor tiles. Whether you're a homeowner trying to renovate your space or a seasoned tile installer looking to refine your technique, this video is designed for you. Filling gaps between ceramic floor tiles is not just about pushing some grout into the lines. It's a craft that requires understanding the materials, surface preparation, moisture control, tool handling, grout mixing, application strategy, drying conditions, cleanup technique, and post-installation care. All these elements combine to ensure your tiles not only look perfect but also maintain their durability and resistance to moisture and wear over time. Why proper grouting is essential. Grouting is more than cosmetic. It binds your tiles together structurally, keeps moisture from seeping underneath, and enhances the overall appearance of the tiled surface. A poorly grouted floor can lead to long-term damage, mold growth, cracking tiles, and an overall unprofessional look. Tools and materials you'll need before diving in. Let's review the tools and materials used in this tutorial. Rubber grout float sponge and clean water bucket grout, cement-based or epoxy. Depending on your needs, mixing container margin, trowel grout, sealer masking tape, optional for precision edges, soft, cloth, or microfiber towel. Step-by-step breakdown of the grouting process. 1. Surface preparation. Before starting the grouting process, the floor must be completely clean and dry. All dust, debris, or adhesive residues between the tiles must be removed. Any irregular edges or high spots should be leveled or sanded down. Proper preparation ensures the grout will adhere firmly and evenly. 2. Mixing the grout. Follow the manufacturer's instructions exactly. For cement-based grout, pour the powder into a bucket and slowly add water, mixing until the consistency resembles smooth peanut butter. Avoid over-mixing or under-mixing. Let it slake for 5 to 10 minutes, then remix without adding more water. This process helps activate the grout's bonding properties. 3. Applying the grout using a rubber grout float. Scoop a small amount of grout and press it firmly into the tile joints at a 45-degree angle. Work diagonally across the tiles to ensure the gaps are completely filled. Make multiple passes to compact the grout tightly into each space. Avoid leaving voids or air bubbles. 4. First cleaning pass. Wait approximately 10 to 15 minutes. After grouting a section, then lightly sponge off the excess grout. Use a damp sponge, not wet, in circular motions to smooth out the joints and remove residue from the tile surface. Rinse the sponge often with clean water and use gentle pressure to avoid pulling grout out of the joints. 5. Detailed cleaning and buffing. After about 2 hours, once the grout has firmed up a bit more, use a dry microfiber cloth to polish the tile surface and remove the remaining haze. This polishing stage reveals the clean lines and helps achieve that perfect final look. 6. Curing and drying. Allow the grout to cure for at least 24 to 72 hours, depending on the product and humidity levels. Keep the area dry and avoid walking over the floor during this period. This curing time is crucial for long-term performance. 7. Applying grout. Sealer. After full curing, typically after 3 days, apply a grout sealer to protect the joints from stains, mold, and moisture. Use a fine-tipped applicator or brush and wipe away any excess. Let it dry fully before using the floor. Pro tips for the best results: use epoxy grout in high moisture areas for better waterproofing. It's harder to apply but offers long-term benefits. Work in small sections, 1 to 2 square meters at a time, to maintain control and avoid drying too fast. Always clean your tools immediately after use to extend their lifespan and avoid grout hardening on them. Keep a second bucket of water ready to ensure clean rinsing during sponge cleaning. Choose grout color carefully to match or contrast with your tiles. This makes a huge visual difference. Common mistakes to avoid: overwatering the grout mix weakens the structure. Leaving excess grout on tile too long causes stubborn haze. Not sealing the grout leaves it vulnerable to stains. Using dirty water for sponge cleaning causes film and dullness. Rushing the process leads to inconsistent joint filling. When to re-grout. If your existing tile floor has cracked, missing, or stained grout, it might be time to remove and regrout the area. This process involves scraping out the old grout using a grout saw or oscillating tool. cleaning the gaps thoroughly, and applying new grout as described above. Advanced options. Some installers use additives in the grout mix to increase flexibility and water resistance. These are especially useful in high-traffic bathrooms, spa areas, or floor heating systems. Others incorporate antimicrobial grouts to resist mold and bacteria, enhancing hygiene in sensitive environments. Eco-friendly practices. Consider using low VOC grouts and sealers to minimize environmental impact. Reuse rinse water where possible, and properly dispose of excess grout according to local regulations. Maintenance after grouting too. Keep your grout looking fresh. Clean the floor regularly with pH-neutral cleaners. Avoid abrasive tools or acidic substances. Reseal grout every 1 to 2 years. If it's cement-based, inspect for cracks or discoloration as part of seasonal maintenance. What you'll learn in this video, in this tutorial, you will see real-time footage of grout being mixed and applied on bathroom floor tiles. Learn the rhythm of working in sections. Understand the difference between applying too much or too little pressure. Discover how to avoid grout haze and how to remove it if it happens. Watch professional techniques that reduce waste and maximize results. This video is completely silent and visual, allowing you to learn the process step by step without language barriers. Ideal for international viewers or those who learn best visually. About the creator of this video is brought to you by Ighoud Ceramic Tiles, a trusted name in professional tile installation tutorials. Our channel is dedicated to high real-world demonstrations of tiling techniques from bathrooms to pools, from terrazzo to marble, from the simplest cuts to the most complex tile designs. No voiceovers, no gimmicks, just raw hands-on craftsmanship. If you appreciate skilled work and want to improve your own tile installation techniques, make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video with others. We post new videos weekly to help you learn and master the trade. Final thoughts. Grouting your bathroom floor tiles may seem like a minor task, but when done properly, it elevates the entire look of the room. It's one of those final steps that ties all the work together, providing both function and beauty. With the right tools, a little patience, and the techniques shown in this video, you too can grout like a pro. Whether you're working on your own bathroom or offering services to clients, these methods will ensure the result is something to be proud of. Take your time, follow the steps, and transform your bathroom into a clean, durable, and professionally finished space. Now, let's get started. Guide for mastering the process of filling bathroom floor tile gaps with grout like a seasoned expert. This in-depth resource is intended to provide a lifetime reference for craftsmen, DIY enthusiasts, interior renovators, and construction professionals who wish to understand the full scope of techniques, tools, and knowledge needed to apply grout flawlessly and maintain it over the long term. This extended document covers well over 20,000 characters of content, divided into structured chapters for maximum clarity and depth. Chapter 1. Why grout matters. Grout is more than a filler. It's a critical structural and aesthetic component of tiled flooring. It locks tiles in place, prevents moisture penetration, contributes to the visual design of the surface, and plays a role in maintaining hygiene and ease of cleaning. Poor grouting can lead to cracked tiles, water damage, mold growth, and a compromised floor system. Types of grout: cement-based, sanded, and unsanded. Epoxy grout, furan grout. Industrial settings, pre-mixed, ready-to-use grouts. Choosing the right grout is foundational. For bathroom floors, we recommend sanded cement-based grout. For